Hi, it's Tony, and this is a wool and viscose sample. The left side was treated, the right side is untreated. We just put some apple juice on there. This here is a wine, a red wine. We'll try some Worcestershire sauce because that's actually very dark and stains really well. And then we're going to speed it up right here so you don't have to sit through me blotting it up. But if you see the treated side, it blots all right up, doesn't even damage the viscose, which is the raised cut nap there, the design. The wool is actually the inner part. It's very dense, and you can see these just blot right up. Even the Worcestershire sauce came right up, and on the other side it's soaked right in. You can see that it's got a couple of stains there. And then what we're going to do is we're actually going to try to wet clean them out. We'll spray water on both ends so you can see what happens when you wet clean this beautiful wool and viscose piece. And here we go. Now we're spraying water on it. If you notice, the left hand side is lighter, and that's because the water isn't soaking in. It's rolling right off. It's soaking in more on this, but you can see we're extracting some water, and it's all becoming light. The pile is not distorted. You would still have to do some grooming. You can see the right side here. It's still a little darker because it's got absorbed more of the water, and then those stains are really set right in. We're going to try some special spotter on those stains. Right there, the apple juice came out the most, and then the wine and the Worcestershire sauce. So now we're going to just try a spotter on it to see if we can, just get that right out. The left side was protected, and it protects it against sun fade, staining. It'll stay cleaner longer, the spreading of unwanted bacteria, and it can save you a lot of money if you just have an accident of a spill, possibly a dog, glass of wine, kids drop some food. You can really ruin or make an unsightly spot on your carpet. So please remember to protect your wool and viscose carpets, and don't be afraid of the viscose as long as it's handled properly. Remember, new dimension.